exposing the secret of diamond rain in our solar system. Are you ready to be amazed? Imagine this. You're chilling on Saturn or Jupiter, and suddenly, it starts raining diamonds. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real. Here's how it works. Saturn and Jupiter have intense lightning storms. These storms turn methane into carbon, and then into graphite. And finally, diamonds. These diamonds then fall through the atmosphere like dazzling raindrops. But wait, it gets crazier. As these diamonds fall, they might even melt into liquid diamond oceans. It's like a cosmic treasure hunt in the sky.